Hi everyone, I'm super excited to show our universal agent in action. Let's get started.
Hey, I'm Adam. How can I help you today?
Adam, can you able to review my security private policy of my Chrome?
I can definitely help with that. To clarify, are you looking to review the privacy and security settings within your Chrome browser?
Yeah,
Okay, I can guide you through that. Got it. First, can you tell me what you see when you open Chrome?
can I share my screen so that I can so that you can able to guide me better?
That would be very helpful. Please share your screen, and I'll be able to guide you more effectively.
Sure, I did
I can
that.
see your screen now. It looks like you have Chrome open. To access the privacy and security settings, do you see the three dots, the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu in the top right corner?
Yeah,
Great. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Then, in the menu that appears, can you scroll down and click on Settings?
yeah, I did that.
Perfect. On the left-hand side of the settings page, do you see Privacy and Security? It has a little padlock icon next to it.
Yeah, I clicked on it.
Okay, great. Here, you can review various settings, such as clear browsing data, privacy guide, third-party cookies, and security. Is there a specific area you'd like to review, or would you like me to walk you through each one?
Maybe just give me couple of things you think my browser is too secure so that you can able to check and let me know whether that is been configured or not.
Okay, I can help with that. Based on what I see, let's start with Safe Browsing under the Security section. Could you click on that?
Yeah, where is that?
My
Security. Oh, okay.
apologies.
Okay, I clicked on it.
I see that no protection is currently selected, which isn't recommended. For a more secure browsing experience, I recommend choosing either Enhanced Protection or Standard Protection. Enhanced Protection is more proactive and uses real-time data, while Standard Protection offers a good balance. Which one would you prefer?
Maybe I'll go with the enhanced protection.
Okay, go ahead and select Enhanced Protection.
Yeah.
After that, do you want... Great. Now, scroll down a bit. Do you see Always Use Secure Connections? If it's not already enabled, I recommend toggling that on. This ensures that your browser will always attempt to load websites over a secure HTTPS connection.
Good, I did that. I think so. This is good today.
Okay, great. Is there anything else specifically you'd like me to check or any other settings you're curious about?
Nothing, but I shared you a lot of my personal information. Is it secure?
I understand your concern. I want to assure you that all interactions with me are handled securely and in accordance with privacy policies. Your screen sharing session is encrypted, and no one else can access it. Also, I am designed not to retain any personal information after our conversation ends.
Okay, thank you. That's it for today.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I'm good, thanks.
Have a great day.